friends, my name is Vijay Narashet. I am from Manavara. So last class we are discussing about a topic from 8th standard, that is mensuration. In mensuration we already discussed about areas and perimeters of closed figures, solid shapes and surface areas of a solid shapes. In the last class we discussed about volume of a cuboid. So let us move on to the next part, that is volume of a cube. Volume of a cube. Yes, so we already know about cube. So cube is a special kind of cuboid. Because of that, so cuboid can be converted into cube. Because so when we have the length, breadth and height of the cuboid, so we can make equal. All those things we can make equal. So after that one, cuboid is converted into cube. That is when the length, breadth and height of the cuboid becomes equal, so then cuboid is converted into cube. So that is here, just observe, it's a pictorial view of a cube. That is here also we have the length, breadth and height. That is, it is similar to the cuboid. So it looks like a cuboid. So that means, so here here also we have the length, breadth and height. So when the length, breadth and height of the cuboid becomes equal, then the cuboid is converted into cube here. So that is, all the faces becomes squares. So before that, some of the faces are rectangles. When the length, breadth and height of the cuboid becomes equal, then length, breadth and height all are same means. So whatever the sides of the rectangle becomes same means, so then the rectangle turns into square. Here cuboid is turns into cube. So that is, here we have to take the length and breadth and height of the cuboid becomes equal. So that is, we can take any value. So we can convert the volume of the cuboid formula into volume of the cube formula. So that is, we have to take length, breadth and height is equal to any other equality values. So that is, we can take the cube is a special kind of cuboid where the length, breadth and height of the becomes equal. When it becomes equal, then cuboid is converted into cube. So this is a cube is a special kind of cuboid where length, breadth and height of the cuboid becomes equal. When it is equal, then it is a cube. So then cuboid is converted into cube here. So that is, already we know that the volume of the cuboid. So from volume of the cuboid formula, we have to convert it into volume of a cube. That is, volume of a cube is equal to so it's a special kind of cuboid means we can write the volume as L into B into H, then we can equate. That is L into B into H. So we already know that L into L is equal to B is equal to H. We can take any value, that is L is equal to B is equal to H. So we can take, so all the whatever the values we have, whatever the quantities we have, I will express it in terms of L only. That is, I will take it as L into L. So then is equal to L cubic units. That is, it's a volume of a cube. So volume of cube is equal to L cubic units. That is where L is the length of the edge. Or side. Length of the edge or side, or measure of each length or each edge or side we can take. So L is the length of edge. That is, when we have the length of each one edge, so we can find out the volume of that cube. So let us take some of the problems based on this volume of a cube. The first problem here. So here we have to find the volume of a cube of side 4 cm. So that is, the volume of each side means it is the side of one face of a cube. That is one side of a square here. That is, if it is one edge is equal to 4 cm, all the edges are also 4 centimeter, because length is equal to breadth is equal to height. Whatever the length we have, breadth we have, height we have, all are equal. So that's why if you have only one side or only one edge, so it is applicable to all the edges. The measure of all the edges are same only. So that's why we can take this L is equal to 4 centimeter. Then insert this value of L in the volume of a cube. That is, volume of a cube is equal to volume of a cube is equal to L cube. So is equal to, substitute the value of L here. So that is 4 centimeter. That is 4 cube. So 4 cube is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 64 centimeter cube. That is, here it is centimeter, so that's why I am just writing centimeter cube. That is cubic units we have to take. If it is meter, we have to write meter cube. If it is centimeter, we have to write centimeter cube. If it is millimeter, we have to write the millimeter cube. That is, so we have to write the cubic units. So here we have the volume of a cube, that is 64 centimeter cube. So let's take the next problem. Yes, let's take the second problem here. So in this observe we have a edge of a cube is doubled. That is, so if each edge of a cube is doubled, that means the edge we are taking A. So edge, so in surface area we took A, and in case of volume we took L. Both are same actually. There is no any changes at all. The same cube, so they same edge. So if we take A or if we take A, there is no any matters. So we can take A or we can take L also. Both are same. That is, if A is equal to 2L, that is, I will take it as 2L. That is, so if the edge A and L are both are same, A is equal to L only. So because of the changes here, I will take A is equal to 2L. Or you can take L changes to 2L. So that one also you can take L changes to 2L. So that is, whatever the length of the edge we have, that one is doubled here. That is, we have to take the double the length. We have to double the edge of the cube. So then what happens? So how many times will its surface area increases? So what is the surface area of the cube? The total surface area. That is, surface area of a cube. Area of cube is equal to 6a square, or I will take 6l square. So here in place of L we have to write 2L. That is what happens, 6 into 2L whole square is equal to, so here just observe 6 into 2L. 2L means 2 square into L square, that is 6 into 4L square. That is, I will take 4 first. So 4 into 6L square. So this 6L square is the surface area of the cube before it is doubled. So that is 6L square. We have here another thing, it is 4 we have, that is 4 times it increases. So 4 times the surface area it is increased. That is, surface area increases 4 times. 4 times. So when L changes to 2L. Then what about the volume? So let's take the volume of the cube. Volume of a cube is equal to, already we know that, L cube. That is, we have to change L into 2L. So just substitute it, 2 into L whole cube. So here A into B whole raised to m, that is A raised to m into B raised to m, that is 2 cube into L cube is equal to 8L cube. So L cube is nothing but the length of the each edge, so before it is doubled. So that means here we have 8 into L cube, that is 8 times it increases. 8 times the volume of the cube increases when the length of the each edge it is doubled. That is, therefore the volume of the cube increases 8 times. Yes. So here it is given that each edge is doubled. Here means we have to change L into 2L, then we have to substitute easily. So we can write in terms of 6L square. So then 4 remains, that is 4 times it increases. Here 8 times it increases. Surface area increases 4 times and volume of the cube increases 8 times. So likewise we can calculate when the length of the each edge is tripled, that is 3 times increases, what happens? So you can calculate also. So I hope you understood this one. So let's take the next problem as homework. Yes, let's take one homework here. So here we have a cube. We have to find out the volume of that cube. So of side 1.5 meter. The length of the each edge it is given 1.5 meter. It is applicable to all the edges. So we have to find out the volume of the cube here using the formula. So I hope you understood these things. So those who are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can get the notification of our channel very easily. Also hit the like button. Thank you and all. Be safe and stay home. Thank you.